Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at a quirky yet practical little cleaning companion, the Wrapables Animal Mini Tabletop Vacuum Pig. If you're tired of crumbs and dust taking over your desk, or need something small to clean up after arts and crafts, this vacuum might just be the solution. But does it hold up to everyday use? Let's find out. This mini vacuum is designed specifically for quick cleanups on your desk or tabletop. Compact and portable, it's ideal for cleaning up crumbs, pencil shavings, eraser bits, and other small debris. It's powered by a simple on-off switch and is incredibly easy to use. Just turn it on and let it work its magic. The pig-shaped design adds a fun touch, making it a charming addition to any workspace. Available in different animal styles, each one is sold separately, allowing you to choose your favorite or match your desk decor. When it comes to the actual cleaning power, this little vacuum packs enough suction to handle light debris. Its compact size, though convenient, does limit the amount of debris it can hold before needing to be emptied. The vacuum works well on flat surfaces like desks, tables, and countertops, but due to its small form factor, it struggles with larger particles or heavy dirt. So don't expect it to be a substitute for a full-sized vacuum. The dustbin is easy to access and clean, making maintenance relatively hassle-free. For its size, the noise level is minimal. No loud, disruptive sounds to worry about while cleaning. It's also lightweight, so it won't tire you out during quick cleanups. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use, especially for short cleaning sessions. Its small size also makes it easy to store, requiring very little space in your drawer or on your desk. However, be aware that, while it's an effective tool for small messes, it's not suitable for large cleaning tasks. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The compact, cute design is definitely a highlight. It adds a bit of personality to your workspace and doesn't feel like an eyesore. It's easy to use, and the lightweight build makes it a breeze to handle. The performance is adequate for dust, crumbs, and small debris, making it ideal for desks, tables, or kitchen counters. On the downside, its small size means limited debris capacity, and you'll need to empty it often. Additionally, while it works fine for light messes, it won't be effective for larger particles or deep cleaning tasks. Is it worth the money? At its price point, it's a solid little gadget for small, regular messes. If you need a quick way to clean up after lunch or want to tidy up your desk without pulling out a big vacuum, this pig-shaped tool could be just what you need. However, don't expect it to replace a full-sized vacuum or handle anything too tough. If you're after something for quick, light cleanups, it offers good value. But if you need something more powerful or versatile, there are other options on the market. If you're considering other similar vacuums in this price range, a few alternatives come to mind, such as the Black Decker Dust Buster or similar compact handheld vacuums. Both offer portability and quick cleanups, but might come with more suction power and larger bins for debris. However, they're usually bulkier and not as fun in design, so it depends on your personal preference, style versus pure function. In terms of build quality, the Wrapables Animal Mini Tabletop Vacuum feels sturdy enough for its purpose, but it's clearly made for light tasks. The materials don't feel premium, but they're solid and get the job done for occasional use. It's easy to maintain, with simple instructions for cleaning the filter and dustbin. Just be aware that it won't stand up to constant, heavy-duty use over time, so if you need something more robust, you might need to look elsewhere. As for customer support, I didn't encounter any issues, but considering the low-cost, fun design, it's unlikely you'd need major assistance. The brand's customer service is generally considered reliable, though, so if anything did go wrong, you're likely covered. To wrap things up, the Wrapables Animal Mini Tabletop Vacuum Pig is a cute, functional, and convenient little gadget for anyone looking to keep their desk or small surfaces tidy. It's perfect for quick cleanups, dust, crumbs, and other light messes, but it's not designed for large debris or heavy-duty use. If you're looking for something more robust or versatile, you might want to consider a more traditional handheld vacuum. However, for its intended purpose, it's a fun, effective tool that will get the job done. If you're a fan of compact gadgets with personality, this vacuum might be just what you need. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking one up, check out the link in the comments box below. Feel free to share your experiences or ask any questions about the product, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, keep those desks clean and those messes small.